Boobs, welcome or welcome back to the Rain Maya channel. Again, period. Consistency is key, y'all. I'm so sorry for the late uploads. Like, if you know, I upload at 12 p.m. every day. Apple was playing with me, so hopefully Apple don't play with me this time, because I'm not playing with Apple, period. Like, I'm not playing with Apple.
Different type of flow, yeah.
Seth got the waves.
OC. Shorty all on my body, might pop me a molly, cause I know you want a dick first. Spin the block up at Louis, might clap it some Gucci, cause I know you want a big Burke. I'm on the low, she said she really wanna take it slow.
Anyways, today we're going to be learning how to make these business cards start to finish. Today I will not be showing you guys how I laminated them, nor how I added the little butterfly or the heart, but I will be showing you guys the basis of how I actually created them and made them look like a credit card style business card. It's really quite simple. We're going to use the same app that we used yesterday, the Fonto app. If you didn't watch the video yesterday of how to make your own thank you cards, watch the video, because I'm assuming that you guys have the knowledge of that video, so I'm not going to get into as much detail in this video because it's not necessary if you watch the last video. So yesterday's video was how to make thank you cards start to finish, and today's video is how to make business cards start to finish. So if you're interested in learning how to make these business cards, then definitely keep on watching. Open your Fonto app. You're gonna go to the little camera, plain images. I'm gonna choose white. You're gonna go up there. The size for a business card, we're not going to take the size of a credit card, we're going to take the size of a business card. It is 1050 by 600, and I'll definitely put it on the screen for you guys, so don't worry about that. Okay, then it should look like that. We're going to press this, and I'm going to press use and save. There we go. I'm going to press the 3 lines in the bottom right, press add item, tap the square, change the color to the pink color that I have as the background of my cards, change the size to fit, and there we go. Now, first thing I'm going to do is add my logo. I already have my logo ready for me. Just to make this video go smoother, I have everything ready, but I will be telling you guys how to get everything. Now I'm gonna press the three lines, add item. I'm gonna add 2 circles. Let me change the color so you guys can see the circles. I'm gonna change it to white. 2 white circles. I'm gonna make these small. I'm gonna make them the same size actually. So this is 158, I'm gonna make this 158. I'm gonna change one to being yellow, because if you know, like on a Visa credit card, it shows up like a white and yellow circle. Next, I'm gonna tap any empty space on the screen so I can add text, if it'll let me. Okay, it's not gonna let me add text, so I'm gonna move this down so I can add text. There we go. And I'm gonna type in what I have on my business card. This is customizable for every person. So please do not try to sit here and copy me. I'm literally telling you guys how to do it, so please don't write word for word what I write, because that's not cool. If you need something clever to come up with, DM me on my business page. I will definitely be more than happy to help you. I'm gonna change the font. I already know what font I want. I want the Jenna Sue font. You guys know that I used the Jenna Sue font in my last video. I like to keep things very uniform. When it comes between my business cards or my thank you cards or my anything that's written or anything, I like to keep it uniform. I'm also going to write something else. I'm going to use Constance for this. This is a font that I personally downloaded myself. So you can go on the internet and you can search up fonts and stuff like that, and you can download your own fonts. These are the numbers on my business card. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very basic. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I also have something else on my credit card. It says VIP baddies only. Again, please do not steal what I have on here. Be creative and do that. You feel me? Like, you can take some parts, of course, but don't copy the whole thing. That is not right. That is not right. Okay. Then I'm going to put valid through, and I'm going to put the date that is valid through. I chose the month of February just because that is my birthday month. I love that month, clearly. So that was just my personal preference. And I chose the year to be 2028. Very unrealistic, I know. I wanted it to be a number that like is far away so that it never really expires. Now I'm gonna insert a credit card chip. I got this chip off of Google. You just type it in, press transparent background, and there it is. It shows right up. Okay, I'm gonna move this pink back to where I had it. Okay, now I'm gonna put everything where it needs to go. And there you have it, y'all. We just made this in under 10 minutes. Like, come on now. So we're gonna save this. Well, I'm not gonna save it because I already have it, but I'll just save the project or whatever. Okay, once you save that, you can literally just start deleting stuff off of here that you don't need. Keep in mind, I'm gonna keep some of these text boxes because it's the same type of font that I need. This is the easy part. You're gonna go to add item, choose the square, change the color to black, stretch it out. It doesn't matter if it's longer than the actual canvas that they give you, it is okay. And if you guys have been paying attention to my entrepreneur life videos, then you know that I didn't like the placement of where I had the website before. So now I'm gonna put it where I actually want it, which is above the actual credit card little bar. Then I'm going to add another item. Change the color to this light pink. Hold on. Change the alpha, which is the opacity basically. I'm gonna lower it so that it's a little bit more see-through. Now I'm going to put the CVV number. My fake CVV number is 248. I love even numbers, so it kind of, like, everything that I love kind of shows in my business somewhere. I'm not going to ever put anything that I don't like on my business. You know what I'm talking about? So I love even numbers, so I just decided 248 was perfect. And you know, it's a pattern. I like patterns. I'm really weird. Don't know if y'all noticed, but I am. Y'all, I'm gonna need to add more font, so let me just do that right now. Then I'm gonna put all of my handles. Now, I'm going to position everything and put it in place. I'm gonna add my icons. Again, all you do is search which icon you want on Google. Remember to add transparent to the search and it will come up for you. So there's the email icon. Then I have the YouTube icon. And lastly, I have the Instagram icon. Okay, mind you, I left kind of a lot of space on the sides because when Vistaprint actually goes to cut your cards, you don't know like how much they're going to take off. So yeah, then you can save this. And again, we made this in like 12 minutes. Yeah, I know I like to preview my images. So after I do that, I'm going to save it. And all I did with this when I was ready to use it was take it from my camera roll and insert it into Vistaprint and print. All right, y'all, so that is how you make credit card style business cards. Quick and simple. If you have the right apps, if you have the right tools, then it's really easy to make anything you want. Anything is possible. All you have to do is do your research. I found out about this app through YouTube because I was interested in learning how to make stuff. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys got some inspo, you guys got helped out. If any of that is true for you, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you do decide to make these cards, please tag me in your post because I would love to see what you guys have come up with. I would love to see you guys' designs, you guys' color schemes, your everything. So please don't forget to do that. And yes, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Met a baddie, she be low-key. She asked me what's my name and I'm like, Jose. I shoot my shot just like I'm Kobe. She said, hold on with him.